I think sunflowers are so happy and cheerful. They always bring a smile to my face and let me know that autumn is on its way. I'm Lauren, and today at the Princess Baker, I'm showing you 3 different techniques to pipe buttercream sunflowers to decorate your fall wreath cakes. So head on over to your kitchen and come bake with me. I get my cake inspiration from many different places. Today, I'm designing a cake around this autumn-inspired wreath. To start, we need to color buttercream for our flowers. I like American buttercream for piping, but my magic Swiss meringue works beautifully too. There's links to both recipes below. Shades of yellow, brown, and green for the leaves will create pretty florals. Cut some squares of parchment paper, and we're ready to pipe our flowers. If you're new to my channel, hi new friend, welcome! Each week I share dessert decorating tips and fun recipes like this, so subscribe now to see what we make together next. Our first flower uses the curved petal tip. It's Wilton number 81 and looks sort of like a smile. Adhere your parchment to your flower nail, and holding the tip with the round part at the bottom, pipe straight up to create petals in 2 circles, starting with the outer circle. Using the Wilton open star tip number 16, pipe the brown center of the flower and a small open tip in lighter brown on the outer edge. Our second flower uses the leaf tip, or Wilton number 352. Hold the tip with the openings on the side and pipe 2 circle rows the same way as before. This tip creates petals with pretty points, as it's a leaf tip. Then add the brown flower centers. She's so pretty. The third flower is with a petal tip, with added height for dimension. Use Wilton number 103 and a flower shaping bowl. Cover it with aluminum foil, making sure to press down firmly on the inside so it's as flat as possible. Hold the petal tip with the wider part higher and pipe up and down while slightly turning the bowl to create petals. I love the beautiful petals this creates. Add your brown center and then freeze all the flowers for about 20 minutes. You want them firm. To release, carefully remove the foil from the bowl and then gently peel the aluminum away from the flower. The bowl will give the flower a curved shape. Let's use these flowers to decorate our cake. I've made my classic vanilla cake with vanilla buttercream. To make it look like an autumn sky, I'm coloring frosting blue and adding it in a watercolor effect, like a sunny sky with a few puffy clouds. The yellow of the flowers will really pop against the blue backdrop. The flowers need a wreath to lay on, so I'm piping circles of overlapping brown frosting. They will look like twigs or branches for the flowers. Then arrange the sunflowers on the wreath. Look how beautiful. Add a few more twig offshoots in brown. And then add leaves with a leaf tip in green frosting. And your sunflower wreath cake is complete. I love the way this cake looks. It's so happy and cheerful and makes me think of crisp autumn weather. I hope you enjoyed creating an autumn sunflower wreath cake with me. Make sure to subscribe for your next adventure with the Princess Baker.